Thĩinĩ wa mũcemanio ũrĩa ũrehete hamwe anyiti itemi matiganĩte gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge gĩa Kajiado ya rũgongo, ndereti yegemainie na kuongerereka kwa namba ya airĩtu anini kuoha nda cia tene nĩyo ithamakĩte, na mũno kaunti-inĩ ya Kajiado arĩ imwe ya kaunti iria namba ĩno yongererekete makĩria.
So we are also looking out for.
Anyiti itemi aya maugĩte ona thengia wa kũheana mathomo mathukuru-inĩ kũrĩ ona mĩhĩnga ya wagi wa tauro cia ũtheru na mathomo ma ũtheru wa kahinda ka mweri kũrĩ airĩtu aingĩ.
And we have about 936 cases of teenage pregnancy just as from January, and you find about 20 to 28% of girls lack menstrual products, which are interlinked, where a girl, when they lack a product, they end up engaging in sex for pads just to be able to engage in activities, just to be able to feel confident about themselves, and they end up being taken advantage of by men or by other people.
Tukiketi hapa kwa hii kikao tunajaribu kutafuta sustainable solutions, tuweze kufanya kazi pamoja, tuone tutawezaje kushikana ndio tupunguze hizi cases za teenage pregnancies. Na pia tumejua kwamba mambo na ukosefu wa elimu inachangiwa sana na poverty levels.
Oho, maugĩte ũkĩa ũcũngĩrĩirie airĩtu anini kũingĩrania na ciĩko cia kuonana kĩmwĩrĩ marĩ anini.
Remember it being so sad going to school and being so with low self-esteem, people are looking at you like, oh my god, you have something on your skirt. You are like, oh my god, I didn't know, but you can't tell them. You are afraid to tell them, my mother cannot afford to buy for me a sanitary towel.
And before, it was really hard to access the sanitary towels because you could go to the shop and you ask, and they sell like a packet at 100 bob, and back at the parents' pocket is quite not good. So it used to be hard when it came to school.
Nĩ kumana na ũguo marenda thirikari na anyiti itemi kũnyitanĩra nĩguo gwetha kĩhonia kĩa maya mothe.
Because period friendly world involves everyone. Period friendly world, we should make our homes, we should make our institutions to be period friendly, such that when a girl menstruates, they should know and they should be proud of them because it's healthy and it's normal to menstruate. So it's so much important to involve boys and men in conversation pertaining menstruation.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inoro TV kuma Kajiado ya rũgongo, ngetwo Wacuka wa Kĩarie.